Hey loves, it's Naturally Big Hair. Yes, today I am so excited. I'm here to tell you about, drumroll, bam, the Denman brush. OMG. This thing is awesome. I mean, my hair is loving this brush. It is making my curls pop. Now, my hair got wet today, so the curls are, they got frizzy. But this thing is awesome. This thing is really good. This makes my curls pop. My hair is kind of limp, thick and limp. So I need a lot of product in my hair. And when I use like a regular comb, it just like glides through and my hair is limp. But when I use this, I mean, my hair is thick. This tugs through my hair and it just makes it so smooth and so curly. Like the curls are just popping. As soon as I run this brush through my hair, this thing is the bomb, okay? Seriously, look at these little bristles. I think that's why my curls are popping, because the bristles are so close together. And like I have to struggle to get this brush through my hair, but once I get it down, oh my gosh, my curls are bouncy and popping. This is a must. You have to get this. I think I'm gonna do this as part of the giveaway with the gift card. So watch how I do this. This is, I'm telling you, once you get this brush right here, you'll never use another brush. Now I will use a comb to comb it out first, and then I'll go over it with this, and I have to have a lot of product in my hair so I can glide through. But once this gets through, oh my gosh, your curls are gonna pop. Yes guys, so I'm starting off with Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner. Look at those curls popping. Look at that brush just glides through. Yes. And yes, after I use the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner, I follow it up with Mixed Chicks. Yes. And then I finish it off with Eco Style Gel. Just repeat the steps after separating each section of hair with the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner, the Mixed Chicks, and then the gel.